weekend, my dear me. Welcome back
Yes.
to my class. Wow, oh, nice. It's nice to see you again.
How are you today?
Oh, wow. Thank you for asking. I'm good, my dear. How about you?
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
Wow, can you see me clearly, my dear?
Oh yes, I see clearly.
Wow, can you hear me well?
Yes.
Okay, so how about you, my dear? How are you today?
Oh, so good.
So good. So far, so good.
Yes.
Oh, very good. So, what did you do before our class?
Oh, the last class.
Before our class today, my dear.
Uh, no, I study uh some new words such as have lunch, has breakfast, have a dinner, and cook dinner, get out and go to work. Uh, cook lunch and cook dinner.
Oh, wow. Did you cook your lunch today,
Ah,
my dear? Did you eat your lunch?
yes. In addition, I study some new words such as cousin cousin.
Yeah, cousin. Very good.
Yes. And stress. Right. I uh vegetable.
Yes, vegetable. Very good. Vegetable.
Clothes.
Yeah, clothes.
Yes.
Yes, that's good. I see you're nice. So, is it
Uh,
is it cold in your country right now? Oh, in Korea? Is
oh,
it cold?
now I am in Korea.
Yeah, so yeah, it's cold in Korea right now, right?
Oh yes.
Oh, I see. But do you like cold weather?
Mm, teacher, can you speak? Can you say again?
Do you like cold weather?
Oh yes. I so like weather, but this is winter at here is so
Mhm.
cold.
Yeah, so you can stand the coldness of the weather?
Uh, I I don't know.
Like you can't go out because it's very cold?
Sorry, teacher, I don't understand.
I see. You don't want to go out because it's very cold
Uh,
outside.
yes, yes. Now I'm in home. At home,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah, I'm at home. Yes. Okay. So, what about after our class? What do you want to do?
Oh, I often what I often watch TikTok.
Watch. Oh, very
TikTok
good. Mm-hmm.
watch TikTok. Um, go shopping. Yes.
Uh-huh.
Uh, after then I will go to work.
Ah, later at 6 p.m., right?
Yes, 6 p.m.
I see. So you need to eat your dinner first before going to work?
Oh no, after finishing work, I will eat at restaurant.
But you will finish your work at 3 a.m., right?
That yes, yes.
So you will eat your dinner at 3 a.m.?
yes.
Oh no, you'll get sick if you keep on doing that.
Yeah, so I after before go cooking, I will eat something.
Ah, yes, very good. Something heavy in your stomach,
Oh,
like
mm,
carbohydrates, or yeah,
I
carbohydrates.
I just eat noodle.
Noodle, and you will eat again after 8 hours.
Mm, I I don't know. Maybe.
So how about your dinner? What do you usually eat?
Yeah, at the restaurant I offer rice,
Mm, okay. Rice. And
kimchi.
oh, you like kimchi.
Yes, kimchi very delicious.
Oh, wow. I don't like kimchi.
Oh, why? Spicy?
I don't like the flavor of it, or it's like something sour. It's kind of sour, right?
Oh, no, in Korea, so many kimchi, so
Mm-hmm.
many beers. So you can you try something?
Ah, okay, like a different variety of kimchi.
Mm, fried kimchi and vegetable
Mhm.
and cook meat, meat.
Ah, kogi. It's meat, right? Kogi in
That
Korean.
yes, right.
I just remembered
Oh,
because yesterday I watched K-drama.
ah,
Do you know Doctors?
doctor.
Mm-hmm.
Oh
The
yes.
title, Doctors.
Hmm.
Do you know Park Shin Hye?
K drama. I don't know.
I see, yes. So I've learned some words, but most of them it's a curse. Shiva.
Sometimes. No,
La-
many people learn Korean because because they like K-pop or K-drama, oppa.
yes,
Yeah.
exactly. Yeah, like Lee Min Ho.
Lee Min Ho, I know, but I don't like him.
Oh, why, my dear?
I don't know. I don't I am not interested in his him.
I see, you're not interested. How about Park Soo-joon or like Lee Jung-suk? Do you know them?
No, I don't know who say
I see. So, how about anime? Do you watch anime?
anime.
Mm-hmm.
No, anime. I like Doraemon. Doraemon.
Ah, Doraemon.
Yes.
Doraemon. How about Sailor Moon?
Mm, I I just watch on YouTube. TikTok
Ah, Sailor Moon.
because Doraemon's author is he died.
I
Uh,
see.
Sorry, the character.
I think it's Stand Alone, right? The title of Doraemon where he died. Stand
Oh,
Alone.
author. Ah,
Ah, Stand By Me. Stand By Me, right?
ah, yes, right.
Okay, Stand By Me. How about Disney movie like uh, Frozen,
No, I
Snow
don't know.
White?
I don't know.
Oh, wow. Like Snow White, Cinderella, Aladdin, do you know them?
No, I don't know.
I see. So it's good that you don't know them.
I don't know. I don't know because I do. I am not interested in the
I see. How about reading books or reading comics?
reading book. No, just example for I just reading. I just read some books such as oh if I like book I I will read book.
I see. So like our it's just random. For example, today you will read a book.
Oh, random.
I see that's good. But I think oh, you don't have your favorite hobby? Ah, drawing, right? Or painting?
Oh, painting. So
Yes, I
I
saw.
I I I so like drawing because I feel like comfortable.
Yes, comfortable. Very good. Or you can say I really like.
Really like. Uh,
Yes. Okay. So I've seen your post on Facebook, your story.
I just
Yeah.
I
I,
public story Facebook.
mm-hmm. Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah. I really like it. Wow. See, you have a great potential when it comes to arts.
Mm. Um, if I when I have free time, I will draw. But but uh, but sometimes I but sometimes draw. But I sometimes draw in
Mhm. Oh, it's okay, my dear. How about something like cooking? Do you have a cooking skills? Do you think?
no. I love to cook.
Yes. How about something like dancing? When you were in high school, do you dance?
Oh no, not in high school. University. I am studying at university.
Hmm. So sometimes the school will conduct a competition about dance, right?
Mm. I don't know.
Ah, your school doesn't require students to
I
dance.
in school. Oh, at school often study. Ah, I study English language and Korean language.
I see. When you were in high school.
Mm. Now I am at the winter break.
Yes, break, winter break. But what do you want to be in the future?
Picture.
hmm What do you want to be in the future? Like your dream job?
I I I like. I want to. I want to. I want to. I want to be a teacher.
Oh, wow! Teacher, and you will teach English as well?
A teacher, but Korean teacher.
I see. So you want to be a teacher in Korea?
No. In Vietnam.
Oh, and you will teach Korean language.
Yes. After
I see.
I will come back Vietnam.
Oh, that's a good profession. So if you want to be a Korean teacher, Do you need to take a test?
Yes, of course.
Hmm. Is it an IELTS?
I asked. Yes.
Mhm.
When I graduate, I have to have IELTS or TOEIC.
I see. So you need to pass the TOEIC exam?
Mm. TOEIC. Before I will. No, I uh I attended take exam, TOEIC exam TOEIC, but but I just attend at the center, right? Center English.
Yes. So you are preparing for your TOEIC exam?
Yes. I my grade is seven hundred.
Oh,
But
is it?
but but they choose skill. Yeah, choose skill. Reading or and listening.
I see. So you need to improve your reading and your speaking skills.
Yes. Writing and speaking.
How about listening?
Listening. Listening is because it's because the last I I started listening and reading,
Mm-hmm.
right? To skill. So I I need to try. I need to improve pro skill.
Prosecute?
Yes, reading, listening, speaking, and writing.
Oh, four skills. You need to improve your four skills.
Yes, because at university, four skill, have to have four skill,
Mhm.
and
Four
to
skill.
are six six grade IELTS.
I see. Which one is harder, Miss here? IELTS or TOEIC exam?
Yes, one or two. One in two.
Oh, so which one is more difficult?
I think TOEIC is easier than IELTS.
I see. So IELTS.
So difficult. I
Ah. So, for example, you will pass the TOEIC exam. You will get a certificate after that.
ah mm, I think fourth the fourth year I I will need.
I see. So, before studying, you need. Ah, no. You will take the TOEIC exam, and after that, you can teach.
No, before graduating I
I see. So, you will not be a graduate student if you will not pass the TOEIC exam.
I I have I don't know. I register in outside.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, mm, because actually now I don't know. Register how way because um, I think I will take exam in Vietnam.
So you need to pass the TOEIC exam for you to graduate.
Yes,
I see. So what will happen, for example, you will not pass the TOEIC exam? What will happen after that?
because listening skill is not good.
Mm-hmm.
I I I feel like I feel like uh is so fast. I can't.
Ah, so you want, uh, so you need to you need to practice more on your listening skill. So you can try searching on the internet about the audio test. You,
Audios.
mm-hmm,
Yeah, I
yeah.
I I make a I made a video listen and write, but but my computer is updating, so I
Mhm.
can't submit it for teacher.
I see. It's okay, my dear. So, uh, I need to speak slowly.
Oh, I one x one x I listen one x.
So do you want me to? Oh, do I speak slowly or fastly, my dear? Am I
Mm,
speaking too fast or too slow?
yeah, teacher, right?
Uh-huh. Am I speaking too fast or
When
too slow?
slow. Oh, no. When I teacher say I can understand.
I see. So it's okay.
Yes, normal.
Okay, normal. Okay, I thought I'm speaking too fast. Okay, so we will continue our discussion about unit 2. Okay, so we are, yeah, we have stopped here, right? Have
Oh,
finished.
yes, go to work.
Okay, so next, my dear.
Okay.
Okay, so what can you see in the picture?
Yes, I see.
Okay, so can you describe what can you see in the picture?
Two people are reading a newspaper.
Yes, reading.
And, Uh, the
What are they holding, my dear?
newspaper, right?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh, newspaper.
Or
Okay, so what do you think is the vocabulary word, my dear?
I can go home.
Go home. Okay, so let's see if your answer is correct. Yes, wow, very good. Go home. Okay, so can you make a sentence using the phrase go home?
Um, mm, don't forget call me when you come back home. When you go home.
Mm, When you go home.
Don't forget call you when you go home.
Okay. Or you can say very good. Or you can say, my dear, don't forget to call me when you get home.
Yes.
Yes, get home
Look,
it's more commonly used than go home.
yes.
Okay, so I'm going to send it in the chat box.
Don't get home.
Yes, don't forget to call me when you get home
Mm, no.
or when you come home.
Mm,
Okay, but your answer is uh, correct, my dear, and it's clear. So for the next picture,
because she sleeping.
yes, sleepy.
Uh,
Sleeping. So, how are you sleepy?
no.
Okay, so, what can you see aside from? Oh, do
Yeah.
you think is she a man or is he a man or is she a woman?
Woman. She is sleeping. Uh, now at the 9 p.m.
Yes. 9 p.m. And she is
Is for battery. Battery. Hmm.
she is charging.
Charging phone. The phone.
Yes, she is charging her phone.
Mm.
Very good. Okay. Wow, do you think is it daytime or nighttime?
Hmm. 9 a.m. 9 p.m.
Oh, so it's nighttime.
Uh, night.
Yes, nighttime. Very good. Okay, so oh,
Uh,
go to bed.
uh,
Okay, so can you make a sentence, my dear?
uh, I I usually go to bed at 10 p.m. To enough to get enough sleep.
Wow, very good to get enough sleep. Wow. Or I usually go to bed at 9 p.m. to get enough sleep. Yes, very good. Your answer is correct. Wow, but you usually sleep at 3 a.m., right?
No.
4?
Sleep.
Uh-huh. You
Yeah.
usually 3 a.m., right?
Me?
Uh-huh.
No.
Oh, what time do you usually sleep?
I sleep so late.
4 a.m.?
Yes, I am on 2 a.m.
I see. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You will wake up at 9 a.m., right?
Wake up 9 a.m. No, this morning I wake up at 10 a.m.
Oh, that's good. At least you'll have a 6 hours of sleep.
I like sleeping.
Because it's cold.
Yes.
Okay, very good, my dear. So, phrases. Yes. So, can you read the phrases? Example?
Maybe,
Mhm.
uh, the last exam, uh, I I feel was so I feel great. I feel great to be happy with result.
With the result.
Result.
Yes. Can you say it one more time? It's here. Result.
Result. Mm,
Okay. Very good. Result. So, you are happy with the result of your exam,
mm,
right?
yeah.
Ah, very good. But can you read the example here, my dear? I am,
Mm,
or I think it's I am happy with my life. We should
ah,
remove I am in happy.
mm, I feel great to be happy with the result.
Mhm.
Right?
Can you read the example first, my dear?
Yes.
Okay. Can you please read for
Uh,
me? Okay.
the last exam.
Ah.
Uh, it's the
Mhm.
last exam. I finished. I finished. I finished so good. So I feel like I feel
I
great.
finish.
I feel
Okay.
great to be happy with something. Ah, I feel great to be happy with the result.
I feel great to
Be
be happy
happy with the result.
with
Result.
the result. Okay, can you please say it again, Miss Year? The first in I'm sorry, in the in
Yes,
the last exam, right? In
yes,
the last exam.
yes,
In the last exam.
yes.
In the
I
last
I finished so good.
I I finish so good.
Yes.
I finish so good and I feel great
No. Yes.
and I feel great to be happy with the result,
No. It's not.
right?
Yes. Right.
Okay, so I think uh it's better if you say in the last exam I did so well and I feel great and happy with the result.
Oh.
Yes. Because to be happy is something like
Ah.
it hasn't happened yet, right? It didn't
Yes.
happen yet. So since in the you said in the last exam, so meaning it happened already. So
Uh,
to be happy is not appropriate.
so I also and I am happy with the result. Right?
Yes, I am happy with the result.
Yes.
Yes. So can you please read uh, the corrected answer, my dear? Can you please read the corrected answer in the last exam?
Yes. I repeat. Right?
Okay, yes.
In the last exam, I did so well, and I am happy with the result.
Yes. Okay, very good. Wow. Okay, so this time to be busy with something. Can you read the example in the screen, my dear?
Yes. Uh.
She
I,
is.
ah. I type in Messenger. Right?
Uh, can you see this one, my dear? She is busy with her work. Can you please read that?
She
Ah,
busy with her work.
yes, very good. She.
Is busy with her work.
Yes. Very good, my dear. Nice. Okay, so can you make a sentence?
Uh. Um. I'm actually really busy with a project at work.
With our. I'm actually really busy with our project at work.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Your answer is correct. I'm actually really busy with our project at work. Yes, your answer is grammatically correct, my dear.
Are really busy. Is our.
Yes, I'm actually really busy with our project at work.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Very good. So I think we are now in the reading and discussion. So you will read a short paragraph.
Yes.
After that,
Uh. Jane talks about her daily activities. Hello everyone, my name is Jane. Today I would like to tell. about the daily activity. I read from the Saturday. I get up at 6 o'clock. After breakfast, I go to work. My bus it takes me about 20 minutes from my house to my company. Usually, I work until 5 p.m. My work, my work is very stressful. In the afternoon, I often play sports. I always get a 7 p.m. After my son leaves with I in my for work. Uh, every weekend, on Sunday morning, I often go late. Then I would go shopping with my friends. Sometimes we go to the movie. On rainy Sundays, I stay at home reading books and listening to music. I'm happy with my life.
Nice. Okay. Very good, my dear. Thank you so much for reading the short paragraph. Okay. So, can you please say it one more time, my dear? I am happy with my life.
My life. I am
Mm,
with my life.
very good. Life. Okay. Can you say it again? On rainy Sundays.
On rainy Sundays.
Yes, very good. So we need to be careful with our pronunciation of certain words, especially words that does not contain S.
Oh, yes.
S, S. It's okay, my dear. It's okay. Yeah.
I often forget uh, S.
Yes. Because even sometimes, my dear, even sometimes I also forgot to read. For example, instead of saying exam, we usually pronounce it as exams. Yeah, with S.
S.
Yeah.
Exam. Oh, so.
I mean, what I mean is that we are reading words.
Was.
Uh-huh,
Was.
words. We are reading words
Oh. Oh.
that does not contain S, but we pronounce it with S.
Ah. Oh, was. Why?
Uh-huh. Words. For example, on rainy Sundays, yeah, you
Ah.
ah
Ah.
instead of on rainy Sundays, you pronounce it rainies.
Hmm. On
Okay,
rainy. Hmm.
Sundays. Okay, so we need to be careful with S sound, my dear.
Oh, yes, I understand.
Yes, very good. So, when reading, we need to consider when to pause
Oh.
and when to continue. For example, if we see a comma,
Hmm.
do you know comma, my dear?
Summer. Oh, I know.
Yes. When we see a comma, we need to pause, right?
Oh, yes.
Yes. Okay. And if we see a period, we should stop.
Oh.
Okay. For example,
Yes, yes.
yeah. Hello, everyone. My name. Hello, everyone. My name's Jane.
Oh.
Today, I would like to tell you about my daily activities.
Uh,
Yeah. I,
After summer, I have to pause, right?
Yeah, pause. Like for example, like 1 second, and then
Mm.
continue again.
Oh, okay.
Like,
Now I read it.
okay, can you read again one more time, my dear? Okay.
Hello, hello everyone. My name is Jen. Today I would like to tell you about my daily activities. Mm. Um, every morning from Monday to Saturday, I get up at 6 o'clock. After breakfast, I go to cook my bath. It takes me about 20 minutes from my house to my company. Usually, I work until 5 p.m. My work is very stressful. In the afternoon, I often play sports. I always get home at 7 p.m. After dinner, after dinner, while my children study in the living room, I read books in my room or go out for work. I am free at weekends. On Sunday morning, I often get up late. Then I often go shopping with my friends. Sometimes I go to the movie. On rainy Sundays, I stay at home reading books and listening to music. I am
Ah,
happy with my life.
yes. Very good, my dear. You are improving.
Yes.
Nice. Okay. So can you please say it one more time, my dear? Minutes. Minutes.
Minutes. Minutes.
Yeah, yes. Minutes.
Minutes. Oh.
Yes, very good. And can you say it one more time? Stressful. Stressful.
Stressful.
Nice. Stressful.
Oh, stressful. Stressful.
Yes, very good. Stressful.
Stressful.
Yes, very good. And then sometimes we tend to forget to pronounce S. For example, always.
Always.
Yes, with S.
Mm.
Always. Yeah, because sometimes we mispronounce it as always.
Oh, always. Right.
Yeah, always.
Always.
Yeah, with S.
As. As.
Yes, very good. Always. Good
Oh,
job. And uh, I am free at weekends. With
weekends.
very good with S.
Oh,
Uh,
weekends.
yes. Walked. Can you say it one more time, my dear? Walk.
Walk. Walk.
Yes, very good. Go out for a walk.
Go out for a walk.
Yes, wow. Very good. Okay, so this time, my dear, can you read and answer the question in complete sentences?
Yes. Uh, what time does Jane get up? Get up.
Okay.
Uh, she gets up at 6 o'clock.
Oh, very good. In
What does she do in the afternoon? Uh, in the afternoon, she often plays sports. What does she do after dinner? After dinner, I am. After dinner, uh, she uh, she reads book in her room or go out for work.
Mhm.
What does she do at the weekend? In the weekend, she she often gets up late. Then she often goes shopping with her friends. Sometimes she goes to the movie with her friends. What does she do on rainy Sundays? Um, on rainy Sundays, she stay at home reading books and listening to music.
Wow, very good, my dear. Yes, your answers are correct. But I think for your first answer, it's better if we say Jane usually get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. We should add in the morning.
In the morning.
Yes. Okay, so uh you said in the weekends, right, my dear? In the weekends?
Oh, at the weekends, right?
Yes, yes. Or you can say on weekends,
Oh, on week.
or
Hmm.
or
At,
uh at the weekends. Very good. Weekends, because on is an American English,
hmm.
while at the weekend it's British English.
No.
Okay, but both are correct.
Hmm.
Okay,
Yes.
but in the weekend is wrong.
Hmm. Wrong. Oh, I know. Hmm.
Okay, very good. So let's practice, my dear.
Uh,
Okay, are you busy with your work or study?
uh, mm, Now I am in winter break, so I am busy with my work.
Very good. I am busy with my work. How about what time do you get up?
I often get up at 9 a.m. in the morning.
Yes, very good. In the morning. Okay, so what time do you go to what time do you go to work?
I often go to work at 6 p.m.
Okay, very good. And what time do you have dinner? Oh, what do you often do in the afternoon? Oh, what? Let's rephrase the question. What do you do? What do you often do in the morning after your work? Because 3 a.m. is considered as morning.
After in the morning, after work, after getting up, I I sorry, I will cook and I will cook to have dinner, and then I will play badminton or draw.
Very good. You need to exercise because playing badminton
Ah,
is an exercise, right?
yes,
It's a good way to exercise.
I play badminton exercise. Mm.
Mm. Okay, but what do you often do in the evening?
Mm. In the evening, I often I often go to work. If I have free time, I often study, study, or do homework.
Oh, very good. So you are a smart student.
Okay.
Yes, very good. I'm happy that you are eager to learn.
Mm.
Yes.
I yes.
As your teacher, to be honest, my dear, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you.
Ah. Yes. We've only met twice. Thrice, right? Thrice.
Yeah. Ah.
We've met for thrice, right? Oh, it's the fourth time that we've met.
Oh, I don't know. Mm, I just ah after that holiday,
Mm-hmm.
I will attend one other class.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so we've met four times, right?
Four time. Yes.
We have met four times.
Mm. No, 2 weekend, right?
Yes, 2 weekends, so four times.
Oh, four time.
Yes, Saturday, last Sunday,
Ah,
yesterday, and today, right?
oh, right, right.
Okay. But I've seen your improvement already, and
Mm,
you are doing good.
I feel when I study with you, I feel comfortable and I feel I feel I'm pro improving uh
Yes.
in English.
Yes.
Especially listening.
Yes, and I can see your improvement, my dear. Very good.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. You can repeat again the corrected words, and you listened well with my questions, and you can answer my questions.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. Do you know, my dear, at first I was hesitant to ask questions because maybe you will not understand me if I speak too fast or I will speak too slow.
I
That's
feel I feel normal. I feel
yeah, okay, Nora. I'm glad.
yeah. It's
Yeah, okay. So now, what time do you go to bed?
I often go to bed at 2 a.m. 2 a.m.
Oh no, 2 a.m. And you will sleep at 3 a.m.?
Mm, sleep
Mm-hmm.
3 maybe in if a restaurant has many customer, I
Mm-hmm.
have to go late.
Yes, you will go home late?
Oh yes, I go home late.
Oh no. So, do you get an extra paid because of that? For example, you will work overtime?
Overtime? No.
Mm-hmm. Will you receive an extra money because of that?
Uh, I don't know.
Hmm. Because your for example, your uh what do you call this one? Your work is 6 hours. You need to work for 8 hours, right?
Uh, yes, and right.
8 hours?
Sometimes I just have to work at 4 hour. Sometimes.
Sometimes. Very good. But for example, you will work overtime, you need to get an extra money because of that.
Mm, but
Mm-hmm.
I am I just uh spend in the end month
Mm-hmm.
in the end month.
I see. Always remember, my dear, you need to take care of yourself.
Yes.
Yeah, you need to eat before you go to work, and you need to drink water even though you are busy.
Oh, yes. I
Yeah,
understand.
because water is very important.
Yes.
And of course, vegetables. So,
That's true. Sorry.
uh-huh.
I I don't like vegetable.
Why? Yeah, you can eat vegetables that you like.
I don't know. I don't like.
It's okay, my dear. Maybe someday when you come back to Vietnam, yes, you can eat vegetables.
Yes. It's so delicious.
Yes, delicious foods. And you can hug and see your family.
Hmm. Family. I love my family.
Do you miss them?
Mm, no.
Oh, so you are a strong, independent woman.
Uh, restaurant. No.
Strong
Ah,
in strong, independent woman.
hmm. Ah. No.
Why?
No. In Korea, I feel quite boring. I don't know. Just I miss my family.
Oh.
On one a year, I just come back Vietnam to uh uh to to
Twice?
yes,
Twice.
no, try
Uh-huh.
yes.
Uh-huh.
Because I just take a read at summary
Mm-hmm.
summer
Summer. Okay, very good. Summer.
or winter.
I see. So you need to uh make the best out of it. Your vacation with your family.
Yes.
Make the best out of it. And always remember, my dear, don't don't be too hard on yourself. Take it easy. Take it easy. Take one step at a time. Don't forget to enjoy your life
Mm.
and be happy.
Mm.
Yeah, okay, be happy because I like your smile.
Thank you, teacher.
Yeah. Okay, so what do you usually do at the weekend, my dear?
Mm, at the weekend, I often go outside with my roommate. Um, such as uh, such as go shopping or mm, drink coffee or milk tea with
I
with
see. Okay, very good, my dear. Nice. So, you did well today. Yay! Yes, you were able to answer me in complete sentences. You were able to pronounce again the corrected words. And always remember that you are doing great. And I'm so proud of you.
mm,
I am proud that you are my student. Yes, so enjoy your weekend and take care of yourself always. Don't forget to sleep on time and you need to drink plenty of water.
yes, teacher. You too.
Yeah. Yes. Goodbye, my dear me. See you
Bye.
again on Saturday. Yes. Bye bye.